Good day. Let us solve these exercises. Multiply the integers. In multiplication of integers, we have this rule. Find the product of their absolute values. We need to find the product of their absolute values first. Then, for integers with the same signs, the product is positive. And to integers with different signs, the product is negative. The product of the absolute values of 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Finding the sign, negative, negative, that is same signs, the product will be positive. And there is another negative sign, so negative and positive, the product will be negative sign. Therefore, the final answer is negative 64. Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to negative 64. Let us multiply negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Find the product of their absolute values. 81. Let us find the sign. Finding the sign, same sign, the product is positive. Same sign, the product is positive. Same sign, the product is positive. Therefore, the answer is positive 81. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to 81. Let us multiply 4 times 9 times negative 3. Find the product of their absolute values. The answer is 108. Now, let us find the sign. Same sign, positive. Different sign, negative. Therefore, the answer is negative 108. 4 times 9 times negative 3 is equal to negative 108. Let us multiply negative 4 times 2 times negative 3 times 5 is equal to Finding the product of their absolute values, the answer is 120. Now, let us find the sign. Different sign, negative and positive. The product is negative. Different sign, negative and positive. The product is negative. Negative and negative, same sign. The product is positive. Therefore, the answer is positive 120. Negative 4 times 2 times negative 3 times 5 is equal to positive 120. For more topic, just read the description.